Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender. TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender setup with WPS button. 1. Power on your device first. 2. Then, press the power button on the router to get it into active mode. 3. Now, hold the WPS button on the router. 4. As soon as you press the button, immediately hit the Wi-Fi button present on the extender. Now, check if the LED light is glowing on the extender. 5. In case it shows connection failure, it means the wireless signal is off. 6. If the wireless signal is visible, then it means that the connection is established. Now, the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender setup without Ethernet cable process is complete. Therefore, you can now place the extender in your desired location. How to update firmware of TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Begin with launching any web browser. Type this URL, http://192.168.0.254 and hit Enter. Now, web-based settings page will open. Here, click on the System Tools option from the menu. Next, select Firmware Upgrade from the drop-down menu. Then, under the Online Upgrade option, click on the Check for Upgrade option. This will display new firmware version if it's available. Click Upgrade to begin the update process. Your range extender is now up to date. Thank you for watching.